Chinese for Dummies, but I know yo mama didn't raise no fool. Is this book any good? Keep watching and I will tell you. If we don't know each other, my name's Kwadwo, creator here at Elementary Chinese, where I teach you the everyday Chinese you need. I'll interview other expats here in China so they can share tips with you about how to learn. Plus, I'll share my own tips. At any time during this book review, head down to the descriptions where I put anything I reference. That way you can see what other people think about it on Amazon. Why don't we get started, huh? Here's the second edition of Chinese for Dummies. One of the first things I noticed when I opened this book was the sheer quantity of content inside. It's too bad this content is arranged in a way that's so, shall I say, off-putting. It's just the information is crammed on the pages. And they include pinyin, simplified, and traditional characters. Which is good, right? Because you'll need to understand the characters that you'll see on the mainland, People's Republic of China, and the more complex or traditional characters that you'll see in the provinces of Taiwan and Hong Kong. Also, look, they have regular pinyin and some pseudo-pinyin, more like English transliteration of the pinyin sounds. All this information is invaluable. It's just a bit much in one place. Love this list though of culture faux pas that you want to avoid when you get here. And though the presentation's a bit lacking, the information inside this book is solid. And they have a practical explanation of Chinese sounds in a way that us regular folks can understand. So let me know in the comments below, guys, what do you think about the presentation of this book? They do have an audio CD, a mark of a good book. You must practice with the audio if you want to get your accent right. That's what I did when I was learning in Beijing. And if you happen to already have a book that doesn't have audio, head over to speakeverydaychinese.com. It's my online course where you can practice your accent along with me as I teach you the phrases that we use the most often here for day-to-day situations. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, click like. If you want to watch my reviews of the other books you could get to learn Chinese that aren't textbooks, tap or click the screen up there. And if you want another video from me at Elementary Chinese, tap or click the screen right down there. My name's Kwadwo, teaching you the everyday Chinese you need to get what you want. Good study, day up.